Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a quick service snack that the family will absolutely enjoy. So I'm going to be making an oven baked corn with sriracha and sweet chili sauce. So these are the ingredients that I am going to be using. I hope you enjoy this video and go ahead and try it at home. The kids will absolutely love it. Trust me. Bon appetit is fresh out of the oven, getting ready to be devoured. I really hope that you guys like this video, and I hope you try this at home. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, like, comment, and join the family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.